Hello, I'm Mahi Rahimi. In this explainer, we're diving into Chapter 3, How an AI Actually Solves Problems.
So let's kick things off with a classic problem. How does an AI find the best route?
This map of Romania is our playground. To us, it's simple, but for an AI, it's a giant puzzle. First things first, the agent needs a goal. Here, it's pretty straightforward. Be in Bucharest.
But an AI can't just look at a map. It has to define the problem in a formal way.
It does this with 5 key ingredients. This turns the map into something it can actually solve. Okay, problem's defined, time to search. But what if the AI has absolutely no extra info? Well, that brings us to 2 big strategies, blind search and informed search. Let's start blind.
Breadth-first search is super cautious. It checks all the nearby options before it dares go any deeper.
Then there's depth-first search. This one's impatient. It dives deep down one path, hoping it gets lucky. So these blind searches seem logical, right? But they have a huge flaw when problems get complicated. Yeah, this is where it gets absolutely nuts. The time and memory costs just explode. It's kind of scary. Get this. For a kind of tricky problem, that cautious search could take 350 years. No joke. Okay, so we clearly need a better way. Enter informed search with a pretty clever trick up its sleeve. And that trick is called a heuristic. Just think of it like an AI's gut feeling or a hunch. The hero of our story is an algorithm called A*. And trust me, it's both smart and fast. So A* is cool because it combines 2 things. First, how far it's already traveled to get to a city. And second, its best guess of how far is left to go. On our map, that's just the straight line distance. This simple formula is the secret sauce. It estimates the total cost for the best path through that city. And you can see its power right here. A* only bothers with the paths that look like winners. So let's compare them. A* is the hands-down winner. It finds the best path, and it's way, way faster. But the real magic here isn't just that formula. There's something a little more to it. It all comes down to the quality of that hunch. A better guess means a smarter search, which leaves us wondering,